Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. So right here I have some of the new Wave 3 amiibos that came out earlier in February and early March. So we have Toon Link from Wave 3A, first set of Wave A or Wave 3. And then we've got the last ones from Wave 3, King Dedede, Ike, Mega Man, and Sonic. Ike you can use in codename Steam, so you have to pick it up. Probably will eventually. Play the demo. Not a huge fan of it, but definitely an interesting game. So let's get to it. I have my trusty weapon of choice. So I like to try and preserve the artwork. Just carefully cut away the plastic. Try to do it without damaging anything. And I already did. Damn it. So everyone uses an X-Acto knife. That's boring. I don't use a scalpel. I think the blade is already getting dull. Start opening the amiibos. Okay, almost there. Okay, alright. Freed up here. Let's get Toon Link out. So Wind Waker was one of my favorite Zelda games. Actually, only Zelda game that I managed to have time to finish. Some pretty good detailing on the sword there, on the hilt, the shield, even the what do you call it? The holster for the sheath? No, yeah, sheath. Anyway, yeah, you can see it's very detailed, nice touches to that. Pretty good paint job for it. Most of these amiibos have pretty good paint jobs. They do have occasional weird little defects, but this one's pretty good. I don't know if you're like me, especially if one amiibo is pretty common, I like to spend some time to pick out the best looking amiibo. So we have Toon Link, and really quickly, just the rest of my little collection here that I have open. I do have a full set that's boxed still. Eventually I will be opening little by little as the days go on. Okay, thanks for watching.